At the Actuate Nairobi Summit 2024, we're inviting you to help create the future we truly want. By following the 5 disciplines of a learning organization by Peter Senge, we will build a shared vision that emerges from everyone's contributions. The 5 disciplines are 1. Personal mastery, 2. Mental models, 3. Building shared vision, 4. Team learning, and 5. Systems thinking. The discipline of focus is building shared vision. This isn't just about setting goals, it's about creating a future where each person's experiences and aspirations come together to shape the collective vision. At the summit, through open space large group process dialogue workshops, everyone will have the chance to share their personal vision, stories and insights that speak to their vision for the future. Each workshop will become a space where personal visions are explored and heard. We'll use Mentimeter to collect and categorize these personal incidents and mental models. The tool will organize them into categories, which will in turn form thematic areas. These emerging themes will shape the shared vision that we will create together. Once the themes are identified, we'll bring them to life through hackathons on blockchain and decentralized finance. Here we'll collaborate to build smart contracts and decentralized applications, or DApps, that will execute our shared vision using the Actuate Token. The Actuate Token will power the execution of our shared vision, ensuring that the vision we build can be realized on the blockchain through smart contracts and innovative technology. Join us at the Actuate Pre-Boston Nairobi Summit from December 3rd to 6th, 2024 at Kenyatta University main campus. Be part of the journey to build a shared vision that transforms the future. Register now at www.actuatebio.com.